Why overfinancing is riskier than underfinancing? Let's try to understand this with an example. Look at here, there is a business entity where their actual cash credit requirement is only 10 crore, but we'll have two scenarios where they are given only 7.5 crore, the other scenario where they are given 13 crore. So what is the actual requirement? 10 crore, but they are given 7.5 crore in the first case. That is under financing. Whereas in the second case, their requirement is only 10 crore, but they are given 13 crore. And that is the case of over financing. Under financing means giving them less than what they actually require. Actually, that is going to put them in a lot of problems. Number one, they will have operational disruptions. Since they are not going to have adequate cash because they are short by 2.5 crore, they may not be able to purchase materials as required. They may not be able to make timely payments, and this could lead to operational disruptions. And even if they purchase on credit, there is going to be delay in payments, there is going to be supplier defaults, and since they are not going to have enough cash, they may lose out some opportunity, some customer orders, and this is going to keep their cash flow stressed all the time. And because of all these reasons, this entity may not be able to grow at all. They may stagnate at this level or they will fall. So these could be the consequences if underfinancing is going to happen. And comes overfinancing, meaning they are given more than what they actually want. So what is going to be the consequences? They are going to carry idle funds. And idle funds means they don't have any idea where to put them, so they might invest in low return yielding areas. So in these cases, the cost of these funds will be higher than the returns what they're going to get, and that's not good for the business. And in many cases, what will happen is this excess finance. So in this case, what is the excess finance? 3 crore. That will be diverted because they don't have any specific requirement for this 3 crore. So they raise it from short-term sources and put it for long-term uses, or they will even take it outside their organization, and this is going to have significant impact. And look, their requirement is only 10 crore. They have received 13 crore now. So on this additional 3 crore also they have to pay interest, which is more interest, which is going to bring down the profit. And getting this additional limit itself is a sign of poor financial discipline, because in business you should raise funds only for what is required. And since they are now carrying unnecessary additional finance, it is going to put them into higher financial risk as well. So the consequences of having excess finance is even more worse than under financing consequences. So if you are a banker, ensure you do the accurate assessment of their actual credit requirement and give them only what they want, neither underfinancing nor overfinancing. Do you wish to learn more? I invite you to attend our free Sunday workshops on the topics related to credit and financial analysis. This Sunday, we are going to conduct a session on 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m. 3 different sessions focusing on credit and financial analysis topics. And to join this workshop free of cost, just comment live. I'll share the registration link with you, or WhatsApp me live classes to the number seen on the screen.